The Material World 22. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important to understand that Allah, the Exalted, has only given one heart to each person. Therefore, two opposite things cannot be contained within it at the same time, just like fire and ice cannot come together in one container. This is similar to how a traveler heading east will inevitably move further away from the west. Similarly, the hereafter and the material world are two opposites. They therefore cannot be contained at the same time in a single person's heart. The more one loves and practically strives for the excess of the material world, the less they will love and practically strive for the hereafter. This is an unavoidable reality. A Muslim should not fool themselves into believing it is possible. The two can never come together in a single heart. One will always overcome the other. Even if one believes they can indulge in the lawful excess of this material world, they should realize that first of all, this will distract them from preparing for the hereafter. Secondly, it will cause them to be that much closer to the unlawful, as indulging in lawful things is usually the first step to the unlawful. The one who avoids this mentality will protect their faith and honor. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami'a at-Tirmidhi, number 1205. Chapter 87 Al-Ala, verses 16 to 17.
But you prefer the worldly life, while the hereafter is better and more enduring.